Hello, welcome to FJS Easy Math Zone. Understand the concept in easy way. Grade 5 Chapter 2 Addition Part 5. Topics to discuss today are addition, properties of addition. Addition. What is meant by addition? The process of finding the total or sum by combining two or more numbers. So when you combine any two or more numbers, we will get the result is the sum or total. Let's take an example. 4 plus 7 which is equal to 11. So the name of first number is added. The name of second number is also added because we have the symbol here, addition symbol. So when we add two numbers, we will get the result as sum or total. Properties of addition. So we are going to discuss three properties. That is order property, grouping property, property of 0. First we will see order property. If the order of the two added is changed, the sum is not affected. So what do you understand from this? Let's see from the example, then you will understand. 1 lakh, we are taking two numbers, that is 1,04,972 plus 3,26,302. So when you add this two number, we will get the result as 4,31,274. If I change the order of this number, changing the order, that is second number in the first place and first number in the second place. So when you change the order, you will get the same result. So what do you understand from this order property? When you change any two number, the result will not be affected. Next, grouping property. So grouping property, the order in which addends are grouped does not change the final sum. So grouping property, we are going to group the numbers, that is we are going to take three numbers. See, let's take an example. Here you can see three numbers, 1, 2, 3. So two numbers are grouped plus another number is given. So now the grouping number first you have to add. When you add, you will get the result as 64,908 plus 21,462. Now we got two numbers. If you add this two number, you will get 86,370. So now I am going to change the order of this group. Let's see the second step. So now I group this number 12,345 plus 21,462. So now grouping number first you add 52,563 plus 33,807. So now when you add this two number, you will get the result as 86,370. So now you check the first result and second result, both are same. So why we are grouping? For when you group the number, it will be easy for you to add. So when you change the order of the group, there will not be any change in the final sum or when you are finding the total. Next, property of 0. The sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. So what do you understand from this? So when you add any number to 0, you will get the same number. So let's take an example. 42,635 plus 0, which is equal to 42,635. The same number you will get. So we'll see one more example. 0 plus 71 lakh 68,798. So you'll get 71 lakh 68,798. So property of 0, when you add any number to 0, you'll get the same number. So I hope you understand today's concept. Thank you.